morning, dear students. How are you? I hope you are fine and safe at home, and I pray for the same. As in class 2 you are getting your work through WhatsApp group, and some parents are asking in WhatsApp group in class 3 also how we can do the work. You should copy the work, you should tally the work, you should note it down the work from your portal, school portal, as we are sending their virtuals and classwork. Today we will continue with our maths virtual, and the concept of our maths virtual is expanded form, chapter 1 and expanded form. As you know, this is your notebook page. First of all, you have to draw the margin line both sides and write down the date in columns and write down your topic, expanded form. You have to write down your topic, expanded form. Underline the topic, date, classwork and your topic. Before go further, we should know about what is expanded form. Expanded form means we are elaborating the numbers, and expanded form is the sum of place value of digits of given numbers. In expanded form, we have to put the sign of addition between the each number. You know, this is the sign of addition. We have to put the sign of addition between each number to indicate the expandation. So now we will continue. Now we will understand how we have to write the numbers in expanded form. As this is your maths book, and I hope you have opened your maths book and you have noted down the sum in your RLP just for practice. This time from virtuals you will note it down your sums in your RLP for practice, and after that we will send the same work through school portal, and you have to note it down from there. As this is your maths book, page number 19, exercise 1.3, and sum number 11 is expanded form. As the first sum is 4,318. We will write the numbers 18, 4,318. First of all, we will write their place value, as 8 is at the ones place. 8 is at the ones place. Right, students? Next is 1 is at the tens place. You know, you are learning these things, place value, from class 2 also. So it is easy, very easy to understand. 8 is at the ones place, 1 is at the tens place, and 3 is at the hundreds place. And 4, you know, this is thousands place. So very easy. We will write 4,000. 4 is at the thousands place. Numbers we are writing from this side, and we are expanding the numbers from this side. 4 is at the thousands place. 4 multiply 1000 is 4,000. 4 multiply 1000 is 4,000. And 3 multiply 100 is 300. 1 is multiply 10 is 10. And 8 is at the ones place. 8 ones are 8. So this is the expanded form of these numbers. So it is very easy. So we will continue with some more examples. As the next sum is in our book is, second sum is 5. Second sum is 4,525. So we will write first of all place value. 5 is at the ones place, 2 is at the tens place, and 5 is at the hundred place, and 4 is at the thousands place. So we'll write 4 is at thousands, 4,000, 5 at the hundred place, 2 is at tens place, 2 multiply 10 is 20, and 5 is at the ones place. 5 ones are 5. So expanded form is the sum of place value. You know the place value of digits in given numbers. Now it is easy. Now I'll continue with some more examples. Please open your notebook. Now we will do in our notebook also. Now we will continue with some more examples, some more sums of exercise 1.3. I hope you have opened your book and we will solve sum number C, 6287. The same is written over here. The same sum is written over here. Expanded form 6287. We will write its place value. 7 is at 1's place and 8 is at 10's place. 2 is at 100's place and 6 is at 1000's place. So, now we will spread them according to their place value. 6 place value is 1000. 6 multiply 1000 is 6000. 2 is at 100's place. 2 multiply 100 is 200. And 8 is at 10's place. 8 tens are 80. And 7 is at 1's place. 7 ones are 7. So now we will write its expanded form. 6287. Now it is easy to understand. Now one more sum. 3978. And very simply we will write in this way also. 3 is at 1000's place. 3000's. 9 is at 3rd place. 1's 10's 100. 100's place 900. And 7 is at 10's place. 7 multiply 10 is 70. And 8 is at 1's place. 8 ones are 8. This is the expanded form of the given number. This is the expanded form of the given numbers. And expanded form is the sum of place value of digits in given numbers. I hope now it is sufficient for today and you understand very well about the expanded form and you will not face any difficulty. It's test time, assignments time and very easily you will solve the expanded form. You will never forget. I hope this was interesting for you. I will meet you in the